Hi guys, so this is Amita from Ami's Paper Passion, and today I'm here with you here with a mini album or a lap book of sorts. This time I've done it. It's an anniversary album, and I've done a box for it. And let's get onto it. So this is the album. I've made it using this Boho Dreams paper from Itsy Bitsy. I've used 2 whole packs plus 6 inches, and I've got only these scraps left. And it's a beautiful paper to work with. It's an inspiration from Rosa Kelly. I love her tutorials, and do check out her channel. It's beautiful. So this is the cover of the album, and it's an 8 by 9 inches with I think 1.5 spine. Now I don't really remember. And this is the back side. So I've embellished it with flowers from Itsy Bitsy, coordinated flowers, and this is a die cut frame. And this is how they can write they have written sentiment for their daughter. It's a gift from parents to their daughter. So now it opens up this way. It's kind of a trifold. This side I've left blank or empty, and this is also simple enough. I've just put some journaling cards and which I've made into folders where you can put some photographs or write, and I put a small picture here too for the couple. Now this is level 1 of the album. So this is the closure, this folder. I've put only a few pictures as this was the brief given to me, and this opens up like this, and this opens this way. This one is a small accordion fold. I've put just a magnet. I have not put any pictures or paper to reduce the bulk, and this opens up like this. Further, this opens up so you can have a nice spread of photographs. You can put a small picture here, big one, and leave the unicorn apart. It's a very beautiful unicorn, and maybe a small picture here, or just write whatever. And here you can, I've given a lot of tuck spots where you can put photographs, additional photographs. Even this is I think I'm in frame. This is also a tuck spot, and even this is a tuck spot. This side opens up like this as well. I love this collection. It's very beautiful. And this closes like this. This is the closure, and we come to the second level. So I wanted to leave this dream catcher as it is. It's second highlight of the paper. So I've put one picture here, fussy cut out the pic. Now this folder is the closure for this level, and I put one picture here. They can add more pics as they want. I have done some stamping too. Now this opens up like this, and this is mirror image. So it has accordion fold flaps, so it opens up like this and like this. So it's a huge spread. I hope you can see the whole thing, and it folds into itself, and this is how it closes. You can even put pictures here. This is also a stamp, and this is a fussy cut out element. I would leave this aside. It's a very beautiful piece again. Now this is the fun part. So this is the pull down waterfall, and I have added a few pictures from their various occasions out there. And this level closes. And then this level goes up like this. So I've put the unicorn here. So the two main pieces of the paper pack are being displayed here if you keep the whole album open with all 3 layers. I've put a small picture here so as not to cover the unicorn. Now this is waterfall with increasing I would say height, so you can put different pictures. I've stamped here a bit. And to open up this layer, this is the folder. So I've again stamped here, put a big picture of theirs, done some paper piecing as well. And this opens up like this. This is also a tuck spot. Even this is a tuck spot. So I've used all the journaling cards that the paper pack gives, and I've tried to use all the pre-punched doilies and accordion fold. So this opens up like this. This is my favorite part of the layout. I love it. I love this dream, this unicorn, and the way these two papers look with each other. And this is the final part. Here also you can put a big picture. This again is a tuck spot. So that is my offering for today. I enjoyed making this one. Beautiful paper. Sorry. It looks fabulous, and I think with all the pictures in, it is going to look beautiful. So I hope you all liked it too. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.